In 1955, a junior professor and mathematician at Dartmouth College, John McCarthy, aimed at the long term goal of achieving human level intelligence. He made up the term artificial intelligence as part of his pitch to gain funding from the Rockefellers and titled his paper The Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence. In the many decades since then, the idea of artificial intelligence has been of interest to not just computer scientists, but the world of entertainment, with many a cautionary tale about artificial intelligence, or AI for short, in movies and in TV. But it's only in the last few years that AI has begun to make a real impact on the way we live and work. What exactly is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human cognitive abilities. These tasks include visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and problem solving. AI-powered systems process and analyze vast amounts of data, learn from patterns and experiences, and make informed decisions or predictions. In contrast, traditional programming relies on predefined rules and instructions to explicitly direct computers on executing specific tasks. It follows a deterministic, non-adaptive approach where outputs depend solely on inputs and hard-coded rules without the ability to learn or improve through exposure to new data. Since those early days in the 1950s, when researchers began exploring the possibility of building machines capable of exhibiting intelligent behavior, AI has experienced remarkable progress. AI technology advancements have been driven by factors such as increased computing power, the availability of large data sets, and improvements in algorithmic techniques.
When you think about AI and its impact on marketing, I don't know that there's a part of marketing it's not going to touch. I think AI has the ability to deliver not just personalized, but personal experiences, which is going to transform our ability to improve our conversion rates on our websites, our emails, and all of our marketing properties. That's exceptionally exciting. It's also going to allow us to create more relevant content and help solve problems and educate our customers on topics that we previously wouldn't have had the time to do. And so we're going to be able to create more and more value for our customers and our community. And that is incredible. It's also going to aid in data analysis. You're going to be able to take complex data sets and use AI models to get the insights that you would have had to usually spend hours in Excel on, and instead just type sentences and get those insights very quickly and get focused more on the marketing strategy and execution and less on the data analysis. I think there are endless ways it's going to transform marketing, but those are three really big ones.
To better understand AI, it's essential to familiarize yourself with some common terminologies. Machine learning, ML. This is a subset of AI that involves the practice of using algorithms to parse data, learn from it, and then make a determination or prediction about something in the world. Rather than being explicitly programmed, these systems are trained using large amounts of data and algorithms that give them the ability to learn. For example, Amazon uses machine learning to group customers and predict purchasing habits. Deep learning. A subfield of machine learning, deep learning models data with artificial neural networks that are designed to mimic human decision-making and learning abilities. Deep learning can be supervised, semi-supervised, or unsupervised. HubSpot AI, for example, leverages deep learning algorithms to provide more advanced and accurate insights to its users. One key application is in lead scoring, where deep learning models analyze a wide range of data points, such as contact behavior, demographics, and interactions, to predict the likelihood of a lead converting into a customer. Natural language processing. This is a branch of AI that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans through natural language. The ultimate objective of natural language processing is to read, decipher, understand, and make sense of human language in a useful way. Grammarly is an example of a company that's using natural language processing to help people communicate more effectively and clearly. Artificial neural networks, ANNs. Inspired by the human brain, ANNs are algorithms or models within AI that are designed to recognize patterns by interpreting sensory data and using machine perception to label or cluster raw input. They are an effective tool for processing and understanding complex data sets. IBM Watson is using ANNs in the medical field to prompt the diagnosis and propose the best treatment pattern based on the patient's complaints and concerns. You may be wondering how these various types of AI technologies help the average marketer. In the field of marketing, over the last few years, AI has enabled marketers to tap into new technologies across the entire customer journey to deliver hyper-personalized experiences at scale. Let's take a look at some of the possibilities. AI has revolutionized customer segmentation and targeting. Large-scale machine learning models analyze mountains of customer data to automatically group audiences based on attributes and predictively target the most responsive segments. Netflix uses deep learning algorithms to analyze user viewing habits and preferences, segmenting its user base into distinct groups. This allows Netflix to provide personalized recommendations and targeted promotional content to individual users, enhancing their experience and increasing engagement. Through deep learning, Netflix has achieved a highly tailored and addictive streaming platform. Starbucks stands out as a prime example of harnessing the power of AI in marketing, specifically through the use of two important technologies: personalization and predictive analytics. AI-powered personalization leverages deep learning algorithms to fuel highly customized websites, emails, ads, and more tailored recommendations for each individual. In the area of predictive analytics, sophisticated AI models learn customer behaviors and patterns to forecast needs, predict churn, anticipate purchases, and improve upcoming campaigns. While these technologies are often used separately, Starbucks combines both of these approaches. The company leverages personalization through its loyalty cards and mobile app, which collect and analyze customer data. AI-driven predictive analytics enable personalized marketing messages and recommendations, while a virtual barista service on the app allows voice command ordering directly from mobile phones. Jasper AI Vice President of Marketing, Megan Keeney Anderson, shares additional insight into how companies are using AI to personalize their marketing.
So we talk a lot about AI being used to generate new content, but there's also this whole world in which AI can help you gain enhanced customer insights and sort of personalize your marketing efforts based on data that you have. So the first very simple one is I've seen a lot of companies start to use AI to synthesize market research that they've done. Maybe they've done a whole collection of customer interviews and they want to figure out what are the big themes coming out of that so that they can give those insights back to the product team. So we see a lot of people taking mass amounts of interviews and surveys and research, raw research, and using AI to synthesize that into actionable insights. Secondly, you can take the research that you've done and train in a secure way, and you want to make sure you have the right tools for this, but you can upload that into a secure AI system and have AI train off of that customer and company data so you get more relevant and more tailored results than you would in, say, a generic language model. And so the combination of those two things of helping you sort of glean those insights and then using those same insights to reinforce the outputs that AI is giving you in production, that's the dance that helps us get to more personalized marketing and better experiences for your customers.
AI campaign optimization techniques like multi-armed bandits, reinforcement learning, and simulated A/B tests help marketers continually optimize email, search, social media, and other strategies. One example is Euroflorist, who used an AI-driven campaign optimization approach to A/B testing to boost website conversion rates by 4.3%. In the area of customer service, virtual agents, chatbots, and other conversational interfaces address common customer queries via text or voice using natural language capabilities. When ING Bank in Turkey implemented a conversational interactive voice response system, agent workloads decreased by half. AI-powered workflows automatically trigger and optimize tasks like lead scoring, nurturing, segmentation, onboarding, and more based on user behavior. Using marketing automation, HubSpot solutions partner, Imagine Business Development, doubled their open and click rates and increased email conversions by 100%. Generative pre-trained models can produce code for content like blog posts, ads, and websites based on prompts. This allows for SEO optimization, scalable content production, dynamic personalization, continuous testing, and consistent branding enforcement across touchpoints as companies grow. Engineers at real estate company Redfin use AI code generation to streamline customer service operations and streamline their application software development. AI has become a transformative force across industries. In the world of marketing, AI is empowering us to deliver personalized, data-driven experiences to customers at scale. As we continue to unlock the full potential of AI, the possibilities for marketers are limitless. Embracing the power of artificial intelligence, we can drive innovation, efficiency, and better experiences for our customers in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Artificial intelligence is changing the field of marketing in important ways. AI models, computer programs that learn from data, are systems designed to analyze information and find patterns that can help automate tasks like making predictions, decisions, and recommendations. These models are developed by training them on vast amounts of data, and they continuously improve their performance as they receive new information. Their ability to continuously learn is revolutionizing how artificial intelligence can help businesses, and industries across the board are now benefiting as AI models take on more complex roles. Let's explore some of the most popular AI models marketers are leveraging today. Chatbots are one of the most common applications of AI in marketing. Chatbots are AI programs that can have text or voice conversations with customers. Chatbots can answer common questions, provide product recommendations, schedule appointments, and even complete transactions. For example, Sephora implemented 3 successful chatbots as part of its marketing strategy. A Kik chatbot provides beauty tips and product info. The Sephora reservation assistant helps users locate stores. The visual artist bot on Facebook Messenger matches makeup colors to user photos. These chatbots have increased booking rates by 11%, lifted average purchase value to $50, and drove 600,000 interactions. Chatbots save time for customers and provide instant brand interactions. Recommendation engines are AI algorithms that suggest relevant content and products to users. These models are trained on large data sets of user behavior and preferences. For instance, Netflix and Amazon use recommendation engines to suggest movies and products based on what a user has watched or purchased. Recommendation engines allow marketers to provide personalized product suggestions at scale. They increase cross-sell opportunities. Online styling service Stitch Fix leverages data science and algorithms to provide customers with personalized clothing recommendations. By collecting over 90 data points on customer preferences and feedback, Stitch Fix trains machine learning models to predict products each user will enjoy. The company also uses an algorithm called Style Explorer to discover new styles customers will like before shipping items. With this AI-powered approach, Stitch Fix has achieved success matching customers to clothing in a customized way not possible through traditional shopping. Predictive lead scoring uses AI to determine which leads are most likely to convert to sales. The models analyze leads' behaviors like email opens, clicks, and site visits. It also assesses firmographic data like company size and industry. Leads are automatically given a score indicating sales readiness. Predictive lead scoring improves sales efficiency. Sales reps know which leads to prioritize for contact. Marketing and sales can also adjust campaigns based on lead scores. Teambuilding is a company that experienced tremendous growth in lead generation during the pandemic. By employing a lead scoring system, the Teambuilding team effectively pinpointed promising leads and applied marketing automation to simplify their lead management procedures. Teambuilding's results extended beyond merely expanding their sales team. They also experienced a remarkable 3-fold increase in monthly revenue. Sentiment analysis uses natural language processing to determine the sentiment or tone behind text. This technique analyzes conversations on social media, product reviews, support tickets, and other sources to classify sentiment as positive, negative, or neutral. For example, KFC pivoted from an outdated marketing approach to a modern strategy that leverages its brand's ubiquity through popular culture and memes. By doing so, KFC created a natural connection with its audience, strengthened by the power of pop culture. Users engaged with the brand, which ultimately led to increased interaction with the products. Sentiment analysis played a crucial role in KFC's strategy by allowing them to quickly respond and adapt their content based on consumer sentiment. Computer vision AI enables brands to identify and understand objects in visual media for marketing purposes. For example, visual recognition can detect brand logos and products within social media imagery to evaluate engagement and brand awareness. Computer vision is also used in programmatic advertising to deliver highly targeted ads based on analyzing image content. For market research, this technology can identify in-store displays, shelves, and inventory availability to optimize retail marketing. Going beyond analysis, computer vision can also generate visual content through techniques like generative adversarial networks, or GANs. Brands can leverage computer vision technology to produce original images and campaigns featuring synthetic models in a budget-friendly way. Japanese company Datagrid uses a GAN to create realistic synthetic fashion model images for brands to use in campaigns and social media without constantly hiring new models. They created a digital Instagram model, Ima, who's amassed nearly 400,000 followers with stylish selfies. Ima recently appeared in a makeup spread alongside real models for Kate Cosmetics in Japan. Natural language generation, NLG, technology automates the creation of written content. NLG systems convert data into narratives that sound natural to human readers. The AI is programmed with rules that govern language, structure, grammar, and style conventions. NLG enables marketers to scale content production. Rather than manually writing repetitive content like earnings report summaries, financial news stories, and product descriptions, businesses can leverage NLG systems. This frees up time for more strategic initiatives. For example, the Associated Press uses NLG to automate quarterly earnings stories for thousands of companies. These cutting-edge AI capabilities enable marketers to drive efficiency, personalization, and informed decision-making throughout the customer journey. As more innovative AI applications emerge, marketers must thoughtfully evaluate how these technologies can best serve their organization's goals, audiences, and values.